Hi, this is Christina Burton, and this is my EDL 852 Module 7 presentation, Why We Must All Become Digital Citizens. The world is full of digital tools and online content, and it's all just clicks away. It's vital that we teach kids how to safely use the internet with everything being right at their fingertips. So what is digital citizenship? Digital citizenship refers to the responsible use of technology. With this responsibility comes good and bad methods of digital citizenship. The good being that it promotes healthy online behavior, such as learning how to engage and connect with others, empathizing with one another, and also learning how to create long-lasting relationships. The bad being that it allows sometimes for harmful behavior, such as cyberbullying and irresponsible social media use. And those are all things that we want to avoid. Hence, why the need to learn about digital citizenship. Digital media is incredibly powerful in today's world. It allows kids to explore, connect, and learn. With this power comes things to monitor. The following are things we should monitor and be aware of when our students are online: cyberbullying, online cheating, information privacy, and safety. So why teach digital citizenship? There are 5 main reasons as to why we should teach digital citizenship. The first being information literacy. Teaching students the most effective ways to quickly find information that is both reputable and accurate will help them ensure success in the classroom. The second reason why is for cyberbullying prevention. In other words, creating a do's and don'ts on how to interact and treat others and how to report violations. The third, online safety. Teaching students how to protect themselves is vital. The fourth, digital responsibility, bringing awareness to potential threats. And the fifth, the last reason, is to teach digital citizenship to promote the health and emotional wellness of each student. We should encourage our students to limit their online time, take breaks, particularly take breaks with friends. There are 7 key concepts we will want to teach our students. 1 being empathy, understanding how people talk and behave online. 2, how the internet works, so understanding the process of interconnection. 3, understanding user data, knowing how you leave your mark on the internet, aka your digital footprint. The 4th, practicing digital literacy, reading and understanding online info, and knowing what's true and accurate. Number 5, acknowledging the digital divide, those who have access to the internet and those who do not. Currently, only 75% of Americans have internet access. The 6th thing that we'll want to teach our students is practicing digital wellness. So when to take a break, when to put the device down. And the last, securing digital devices. So this means smartphone security, VPNs, which is extra protection, and antivirus software. ERate. This is a schools and libraries fund that will help us provide funds to purchase hardware, internet, and telecommunications. To be eligible for ERate funds, we must have internet safety plans in place that monitor student activity while online. We must also keep a record of the internet safety and digital citizenship education we provide to be eligible. ERate funds are important because they can lower schools' cost of equipment by up to 90%. There's some federal legislation that we should be aware of as teachers. The first being CIPA, which stands for Children's Internet Protection Act. We must follow this in order to be eligible for ERate. CIPA requires schools to have technology policies in place to protect students from harmful materials. The next type of legislation is COPA, which stands for Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. This applies to more of commercial websites and limits their ability to collect children's information under the age of under the age of 13. FERPA, Family Education Rights and Privacy Act. This protects the privacy of students' records and gives parents the rights to review them. So let's create a positive culture for online use. And we'll use the word ready. R standing for remind. Remind students to be mindful of what they're sharing and liking. E, encourage students to step away from their devices. A, accountability. Have a responsible use policy in place in your classroom as well as with the district as a whole. D, demonstrate and model good citizenship. And Y, create a yes culture to learning digital tools like Twitter or YouTube instead of simply blocking them. In summary, according to the article, K-12 administrators must make teachers and students aware of safety concerns and then empower students with strategies for being good digital citizens. If we fail to teach digital citizenship to our students, we run the risk of students sharing their personal and private information, being exposed to cyberbullying, students searching or sending inappropriate content, and most importantly, we run the risk of not preparing our students for the digital world. This assignment correlates to the standard because it allowed for research into how digital citizenship plays an important role in the well-being of each student. Understanding the power of technology helps us become more aware of its dangers. In order to promote the success of each student, administrators must make appropriate plans to not only enhance student learning online, but also plans to protect them while online. We must teach all students how to use the internet to avoid the potential risks or harm. This assignment was relevant to my current learning as it allowed me to see the ways in which technology plays a role in creating a positive learning culture, both online and in the classroom. It opened my eyes to the important legislation that exists to help ensure student safety while online. Creating a presentation was a practical and useful way to learn how to convey the importance of digital citizenship. As a future school leader, I feel confident I could present on the topic of digital citizenship, as I now feel I have a clear understanding of what it is, its importance, how to teach it, and the risks involved should it go unmentioned. I am also now more aware of the importance of legislation. If my district does not follow the legislation guidelines, we could lose important funding in certain areas. In addition to presenting this at the beginning of the year, I also see the need for posting reminders around the school, as well as having teachers reminding students on a weekly, if not daily basis of our responsible use policies. Here are my references. Thank you.